Hi, my name is Ashlyn Gaylord, and I'm here today to help fill a need in the community for teaching and teaching strategies by making a professional development video along with my classmates at the University of North Alabama. So today we will be talking about the summarizing strategy of paragraph shrinking. I got this information from my textbook, the Teaching Reading Sourcebook, 3rd edition, in chapter 15. So what is summarizing? Our textbook defines it as sifting through information to find what is important. So we need to teach our students how to do this as well. One way to teach them how to find what is important or summarize is to use paragraph shrinking. This strategy is used to summarize the information from individual paragraphs into main idea statements, and then synthesizing these main idea statements together to form a paragraph of a summary. So step one of paragraph shrinking is to identify who or what a paragraph is mostly about. So this can be the person, animal, place, or thing. Step two will be to identify the most important information about the who or what. And step three will be to take what you used in step one and step two to shrink all of the information into one main idea statement of 10 words or less. Now, one of these words can be the whole part of step one, the whole thing or person or place that the paragraph is talking about. So to use this in your classroom, it would be great to use informational text. Examples would be biographies, literary nonfiction, articles, textbooks, websites, the list goes on and on. But two that I found that would be useful to find articles on were Newsella and Wonderopolis. So I will be using a Newsella article from USA Today that was adapted by Newsella and published on April 23rd, 2020. I'll be using just the first paragraph to show you an example of how to do this. It is titled, Has NASA Discovered Another Earth? Perhaps. And the first paragraph says that astronomers have discovered a planet nearly the same size as Earth. The new planet orbits around a large star like our sun. That star is about 1/4 the size of our sun, though. A new study said the planet is located in the star's habitable zone. This is not too hot and not too cold area near some stars. Because of the area's temperature, liquid water could exist on a planet's surface there. The presence of liquid water means the planet could have life. This newly found world is called Kepler 1649c, according to the study that came out on April 15th. It is named the Kepler Space Telescope that was used to see it. The name follows suit of neighboring planets such as Kepler 1649b. So step one in paragraph shrinking would be to identify who or what a paragraph is mostly about. With this first paragraph, it would be the planet Kepler 1649c. We move on to step two, that's identify the most important information about the who or what. And this could be a range of things from your students, but as long as they find what they found important in the paragraph, it would work. An example is, it is a new planet that was found by the Kepler Space Telescope that is nearly the same size as Earth, orbits a star, is in a habitable zone, and could possibly have life. Now we take the parts from step one and step two and use them in step three to shrink all the information into one main idea statement of 10 words or less. And one of these words can be our whole person, place, or thing from part one. And so the Kepler 1649c counts as one of our words. And then the other 9 is a planet found that is similar to Earth. Now this would be your first paragraph statement. The final step would be combine the main idea statements from each of the paragraphs to form a single full summary. And this would be obviously longer because I only used one paragraph as an example. The whole article would be each individual paragraph's main idea statement put together. I hope you have enjoyed this professional development video and find it useful when teaching summarizing, most importantly, the summarizing skill of paragraph shrinking.